Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today, we don't have Stitch Fix box, but we have some items. I was going to say all the items, but it's not all the items, it's a few. It's 5 items. We're going to keep it consistent with how many they ship in a box. 5 items from the Shop Your Looks option. So, it's been a little bit in the making because, as we know, the shipping for Stitch Fix has been very slow lately, which is totally understandable. I know everyone says the same thing. Totally understandable. But you know what? It's okay if you still want to be disappointed that stuff is late. It's okay. That's human of you. I'm just giving myself permission for being disappointed right now. But anyway, totally understandable. Hashtag stay home, hashtag stay safe, hashtag wash your hands, hashtag thank you everyone who is working through this. So, first thing, I had to write everything down once again if you watched my previous Stitch Fix Poshmark video. I'll leave a link up there if you want to click on that and watch that video. So, first thing I'm so excited about. Actually, I think did I leave the tag on this one? No, I took it off. I take tags off of everything almost as soon as I get them. Some things, if I'm not sure, I'll leave them on, but you guys remember Beanie Babies? I'm probably aging myself, but Beanie Babies, when they first came out, they weren't a thing. Okay, so as a young child, you know, when did they come out? Like 96? I don't know. Being in, you know, in the 5 to 10-year-old age group when they first came out, I took the tags off those things. I was just at my parents' house and we were actually just going through Beanie Babies. And I told her, no kid wants to play with a toy or a stuffed animal that has a tag on it. You know, it's scratchy, it's itchy. You don't want to play with it. But as we know, Beanie Babies were valued for their tags and not their cuteness. Go figure. I'm getting off on a tangent. You're welcome. So this first one is by Paper Moon and I am in love with it. Look at that cute pattern, you guys. It's very 90s. I was just talking to my friend Lisa, and we were discussing 90s is all back in. But look how cute. It's like that little white daisy with the black center on the red background. Ugh! And that is the Paper Moon Jairdan, Jairdan, lattice back knit top. $38 in red. And it has the cute crisscross detail in the back, square neckline, fluttery sleeves. I love it. When I got it, I was like, this is the cutest thing in my closet right now. And then next we have the 151 Maya Skinny Cargo Jogger. Yay, I finally got some joggers I've been asking for. They showed up in the Shop My Looks and I was like, yep. So they have back pockets, both functional. They have functional front pockets. They have the drawstring, but they have the stretchy waist. They have the pockets on the side, which are also functional, but I broke one, so I have to fix that already. I broke it. I got it yesterday, and I was so excited I wore it already. But it has a snap closure. So where I broke it is this snap came through. So it's totally not my fault. That's just, I could email them about it, and they'd probably be really good about it, but I'm just not going to. With all the stuff going on right now, a broken button is the least of people's troubles. And then next we have the pink Monet tie front. Oh, this one has a tag still. The pink Minel, sorry. I can't read my own writing. I write in like a cursive. You know, people don't know cursive anymore under a certain age group. The pink Minel knot front knit top in red. And it's more like a pinky red. I thought it looks red on camera, but it's more like a pinky red, like a muted red. And as we know, I've been trying to get more red tops to go with my red lipstick. And then we have the 9 Britain. This one has a tag on too. You guys, it's been so long since I've said this. Exclusive. It's an exclusive. 9 Britain. Mackenzie tie front knit top in dark green. But it's like beige. And then gray, and then it has like a teal. I wouldn't call it a green, I would totally call it like a teal. With that knot front, and a nice kind of longer, shorter sleeves. I feel like I need to see. Also, you guys, I just noticed, exclusive. So there's that. Sorry I sneezed. It's allergy season. And then last we have the okay, so this one's a little controversial because on the Shop Your Looks, it is called the Celebrity Pink Tanner Skinny Ankle Jean. And when I got it, it says Reverie right there. So it looks exactly like the picture on the Shop Your Looks. So I'm not really sure about that. Have any of you ever gotten things on the Shop Your Looks, it's called one thing or like one brand, and then when you get the actual item, it's not. So I don't know. So I don't know if it's still even considered the Tanny Skinny Ankle Jean because I don't have the tag anymore. But I love these things. And unheard of, absurd, $38. Yeah. So it has some distressing there. And it has kind of like lighter areas here, distressing on the knee. Yep, distressing on that knee too. I love them. And then they just have like a regular hem. So yeah, let's try them on, you guys. I can't talk today. This quarantine's almost done. Next week is the last week so far for where I am. We'll see if it gets extended, but I don't know. So, all right. Anyway, tangent lady. Just call me Tangent of the Morning. Does anyone know that song? It's not really the right words, but I'm all over the place today. You're welcome. Today's look is brought to you by a cute top from Target and sweatpants because, yeah, that's life. You guys, look how cute this is. It's got that super cute, like square neck there. Has the fluttery sleeves. I like to tuck it in, as we know. These are the jeans. I'll show you those in a minute. Look at that cute back. I don't know. I haven't even had coffee yet today. So yeah, I'm in love with this top. It's stretchy. I love it so much. And then here we have the jeans. Let's ankle down. Ignore the cord. These are the jeans. I love them. I think they're so cute. And they were $38, you guys. Real pockets in the front. Real pockets in the back. Got the cute distressing, you know, regular kind of ankle there that you could fold up if you wanted to. Yeah, I'm just really happy with these two items. So happy. I can't wait to like actually wear them somewhere besides my house. Here we have the pink top. The brand is pink, Pinque, but this shirt is red. And I forgot to show you when I was like lifting it up for you guys. It has this cute like the twist detail right here, which goes up, I think, goes up a little higher than like other twist ones I have. So it kind of goes like all the way up to the start of the jean, but I like it. So yeah, just kind of a simple everyday shirt. Layer it under your cardigans, wear it to work as I would like to do. I would like to go back to work, but at the same time, no. But yeah, so here's this one, you guys. Here's the back. Just a nice, simple, everyday shirt. Here we have another kind of casual shirt. I'm just really liking the t-shirts this year, you guys. I just needed some like plain, not plain, but like some casual everyday wear. So this one has the tie as well, which unties. You can make it tighter or looser, whatever you want to do. You can wear it like that. Maybe we'll start a new trend. I don't know. They'll call it the Rachel trend. Everyone will be like, oh my god, that looks so cool. And they'll be like, yeah, it's the Rachel trend. No, I don't know. So yeah, really liking this one with the color blocking, kind of like that lighter oatmeal kind of top, which I've been loving oatmeal lately. Another tangent. I've been loving oatmeal. Putting strawberries on it, peanut butter, pecans, little brown sugar, and yogurt. So yeah, I watched a YouTuber, Leah Prips, if you want to watch her, And she has his roommate Maddie, and her Instagram handle is, I don't remember, but I'm going to put it right here. If I remember to for this video. I can't remember. Anyway, she likes to post recipes and stuff on her Instagram, and it was the oatmeal one, and she put yogurt on top, and I was like, I've never done that, and it's so good. Anyway, tangent. So yep, loving this shirt, loving the color black. I have a lot of color black sweaters for like the fall and winter, and I didn't have one in a t-shirt, so really liking this one. Last but not least, we have the cargo joggers, the skinny cargo joggers, which kind of is like a little oxymoron, because cargo pants usually add bulk, but these are skinny cargo. So, and this top I got from Poshmark. It is a Market and Spruce top, just another kind of casual tee I tucked in. It's got the high-low hem, if you can see. So yeah, let me angle down for the actual joggers. Ignore the cord. So here's actual joggers. Got the drawstring, got the pockets, got the pockets, got the pockets. We have pockets. So they're so stretchy. They're like really comfy. I've seen these on the Shop Your Looks in this olive color, and I've seen it in black. I haven't seen it in black in a while, so I'm guessing they're like sold out, but yeah. I am loving it. So comfy. So comfy. Alright, so that's where we're going to end the video, because I went over the prices already. I broke my mold. I broke it. I broke the way I usually do things, because I haven't done a Shop Your Looks video before. So, those are my Shop the Look items. Those are my Shop the Look items for you today. I'm not Southern. So, yeah, I encourage you guys, if you haven't, shopped any items on there, as you can see, I kind of looked for the lower price ones. 38, 40, 34, 36, 38. They're out there. Don't let them tell you they're not out there, because those lower price items are out there. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you could. It really means a lot to me. And then subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I have a Stitch Fix box coming, you guys. I think it should be here, like, in the next couple days. So, yeah, I'm going to put this one up first, so you can see, because we're all anxious and impatient. Anyway, like and subscribe if you could, and then I will leave a referral link for Stitch Fix below as well if you want to try Stitch Fix for your first time. You can get $25 towards your first box. I'm capped out on my referrals, so I'm going to leave my mom's link down there. So if you want to try it, if you wouldn't mind clicking on my mom's link, so she would get $25 as well, you would get $25 towards your first box, that would be awesome. So yeah, that's it for me today. I actually woke up at 6 this morning, which usually I've been sleeping in till at least 10, so that's probably why I'm so weird and wired and tangenty. Tangenty. That sounds like a country. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.